Step 1. Switch on the power, main power, and one power button at the back. Now it will start displaying the thermocycler. Then we have to do the new protocol. It will display all the temperatures which are involved in thermocycler. For make the changes in the temperature, we can set to like 94, then 94 once again. Okay. Then annealing temperature, likewise extension temperature. That is required at the 72 only, so we will not change. Similarly, we can change the time also, like 5 minutes, and then 1 minute, again, and extension 1:30 seconds. If we want to change the number of the cycles, for example, if we want to make 30 cycles for the PCR, then we will add the number 29. So one cycle which is already in the display, and the same cycle will go on for 29 times more after this. So now this will total go for 30 cycles. After that there is a final extension. If we want to change the time and the temperature, we can change it from here. Otherwise we can keep the same. In this example, I have set the time to 10 minutes and then hold for infinity. Then we have to save the protocol. You have to make a folder. If you want to make a folder, you can click to this folder plus sign and make a new folder. And then you have to name the program. And then you have to save. After that, if we want to enter the volume, then we have to click on the volume. Here it is set as 25 microliters. If you want to make 50 microliters, we can change it to 50. Press OK. Save again into the same folder. If we want to set the gradient, if we want to set a gradient at the annealing temperature, then we will come at the annealing temperature and then we will click on the tab options. It will show gradient. We will select the gradient and then the temperature from front row to back row has to be put. For example, we want to set a gradient from 45 degrees in the front row, so we will add 45 degrees in the front row, so it will show 45 degrees, and to the back row, if we want to make a gradient to 45 to 55, so in the back row we will put the maximum temperature 55 degrees and press OK. So now from back row to front row, you will able to see the automatic gradient temperature are being taken up by the machine. We will press OK and then we will save the program. After saving the program, we can put the tubes inside the machine into the appropriate slots, close the lid and press run. So as soon as the temperatures are being attained by the machine for the PCR, it will automatically tell you the time, how much time it will take to complete the PCR. For example, here it is showing approximately 3 hours.